Is your password really keeping your data safe? Biometrics can be a safer option, but despite their convenience, surprisingly, few people use them. Biometrics involve using unique physical traits, like your fingerprint or face, to verify your identity. It's like having a password that's written into your very being. Impossible to forget and much harder for someone else to copy. So why the hesitation to use them? Some people worry about the safety of their personal data. While it's true that storing biometric data requires care, the technology securing it is highly advanced, making breaches rare and difficult for cybercriminals. If you're still unsure about biometrics, you could try Passkeys. Unlike traditional passwords, Passkeys use a unique digital handshake between your device and the service you're accessing, which makes it incredibly tough for cybercriminals to intercept or trick you into handing it over. While passwords have got us this far, biometrics and Passkeys offer a new level of security and convenience. Ready to embrace better security in your business? We can help you navigate your options. Get in touch. That's your tech update. More next week.